Alright guys, on the video a little backwards because we've already been here going, and then the film crew showed up with the equipment, the camera equipment. So as you can probably see, we are relocating some snow, pushing some banks back, etc. Because we got a little tight in here. We're very limited to where we can put snow, especially when we're plowing the roads, and when we're plowing the roads and cars are in their parking spots, we only have limited spots we can push snow to. Alright, walk right in front of the loader. Good idea. R630 and our trusty little GMC 1-ton dump. Arguably, we use a bigger truck, but with the positioning we have in here, it'd be awfully hard to have a bigger truck in here and dumping where we need to dump. So really, the ratio wise, as fast as I can load it and as fast as he can dump it, a bigger truck wouldn't do us much good. If we were hauling it off site or something like that, then definitely, but the second truck, two people trucking may make it go a little faster, but again, typically while he's hauling away, I'm working up another, I don't know where he's going, I usually do 4 buckets, and he asks me if I'm ready for him to dump, and that was 3 buckets, and he didn't ask me if I was ready to dump. He's a little out of it today. Also, along with the camera, brought me a sandwich. I'm gonna have a few bites of that. I don't need to take this whole bank. Like I said, we don't normally put snow in all these spots. It's more or less, we're plowing the roads and everybody's in their spots. When we do cleanup, we can carry the snow to the snow dumps. The trouble is, the snow dumps are usually blocked by people's parking spots during the storm. So on an average little storm, we can get creative, find places. But when we get a storm like we just got, where we got, what was it, 16 inches or so, you know, you can start putting snow wherever you can. This is day 3 for us. The first day we've brought you guys along, just because it's go, 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 and no Samantha, it's just Harvey and I. So hard to try to set up cameras and film, and I guess we could have done it like this, but like I said, it's just more of a go, 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 get it done. And I knew there'd be a few days of it, so I knew we could bring it along for something. Samantha just got her new toy, which I'm sure you'll see either before I'm talking or after I'm talking. This corner is fun because typically there's a car that never moves right here next to this white van, which means we can never plow the sidewalk through, we can never clean up this spot. It's pretty fun. Harvey's been on the loader and loaded me one of the days, and I feel should understand the concept, so I don't quite understand how he parks for me to load him sometimes. Some of the angles and positions, and if you're loading in one spot repetitively, you clean up one mess. So to move 10 feet, now you're making a mess in another spot. And I feel like we've gone over that, but I don't know. It's Monday. He's tired. You know, true Harvey fashion was 10 minutes late, which is hard to do because he lives where we work. But yeah, he went snowmobiling all day yesterday, and which means he comes in tired, typically grumpy by midday. Because he stays out late all the time and doesn't sleep. It's super fun. I'm not saying this on here because I know he won't see it and ragging on him. I've ragged on him and told him numerous times that he needs to try to do better, but again, apparently having fun and being carefree is more of a priority than waking up in the morning. Position we get out of this time. Drive over here. Leaning on his arm, rubbing his eyes. What are you asking me? He's not tired. Of this pile has been trucked here. Only the back little bit of it was here as a normal snowbank. The rest of this has been trucked and bucketed here. From this section. We've been moving it elsewhere when we've been in other sections. I think we'll probably have one more day or half a day, just getting the last little bits cleaned up. We first attacked things like our snow dumps and where we would need to plow snow if we got another storm, when they were predicting one for yesterday, Sunday. And then intersections for visibility and plowing. probably pretty good in here, at least for now. We'll try to go get some out of that inside of Vinton, and maybe the bank at the end of Vinton, and we can either put it in the dump in the bluffs or right here. Halfway in the parking spot, so my front left tire is going to be on the snow, not on the road. God, he is out of it today. You want that in the trunk?
Yeah, just
oh, okay. You don't have enough snow at your place? Oh no. Right after I just saw a picture of trusty old truck got it done or something,
yeah,
right?
And I went out the next morning and started.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi. Hello?
Do you want your truck started?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Alright, I don't know how long of a video we got here or how good it was. Hopefully what Samantha took for videos makes up for me turning on and off and forgetting to turn on and off the camera and basically only talking about Harvey being tired. Yeah, that was the gist of my day for a topic, was Harvey clearly being tired and out of it. But yeah, we got quite a bit moved today. Again, like I said, it's day 3, so we're getting down to now we'll spend some time in here tomorrow on the nitty-gritty final details, you know, pushing back here and there. I know there's a couple roads we'd like to get the edges pushed back for melting, etc. So tomorrow will be more of a detailed small section day than it has been the last few of just bowling through the big banks and moving big banks. So yeah, maybe we'll bring you along tomorrow. But hopefully Samantha can put together something with what she got and what I got today. And we'll be back to you hopefully with something a little more entertaining soon. Sorry, I'm trying to look around. I spaced it when I was talking as I'm trying to look around what spots I'd like to do still and what spots we've done. And the sun was in my eyes. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell that on the camera, but the sun is directly at me right now. And people driving in and around everywhere and walking everywhere. So I spaced talking for a second. But yeah, hopefully we'll be back in here with you tomorrow. Maybe get a little better footage. Be a bit less stressed of trying to move the big piles. Maybe I'll be in the skid steer pushing some stuff back, and I'll take you right along in there with me. We have a new cutting edge for the skid steer push box. Maybe we'll swap that out tomorrow and get that on film for you. But yeah, I'm just rambling. It's been a long few days, so I'm just gonna cut it off here before I just continue to ramble. You all have a good day, night, morning, whatever it is when you watch this. Peace out, YouTube.